This video review is of this expandable pencil case. It is actually quite nicely made for its price. It's got a big Velcro area here so you can change this patch if you want. It's got a pocket right here on the front for quick access. Opening this up, we've got a zipper pocket on the inside with a mesh panel here. We've got a flip divider here. You can keep pens or tools in these loops secured by the pocket below. You can also take this out if you want to. It's on Velcro as well. Now here's what really gets tricky. It has a expansion bay in it that you can access with this second zipper. So when you open this second zipper, you do effectively double the volume of this bag. It opens right up and you can get a lot more storage out of this. So if you're looking to package a small EDC kit or tool kit that you need to stay compact, you can definitely achieve that with this case. It's sold as a pencil case, but honestly, I don't think I've ever had to carry that many pencils. But tools, you bet I have. And that's how I use mine. And I really like the carry handle on it too, right here. That is quite a nice touch. It also has MOLLE loops on the back if you want to mount this to a pack. And I gotta say, for the money, this was quite a good deal.